What a beautiful day. The trees and flowers smell great.
Yeah, it smells of green leaves after rain. It's beautiful.
Yeah. And clean air and water, for a fact, is something we don't pay attention to.
Yeah, it's like when you're having something but you don't really appreciate it until it's taken away from you.
Exactly. And the thing is, waste management is a huge problem we don't pay attention to. And soon it could be the cause of an epidemic all over Lebanon.
The effect of water pollution by a lack of a proper sanitary disposal system has caused crises around the world, notable for the disastrous toll that it's taken on people.
Haiti faces lack of access to clean water. Typhoid, hepatitis A and B, cholera, and chronic diarrhea are the cause of half the deaths in a country. That's like saying one of every 2 funerals you go to are caused by a water crisis. يبعد الشر عن قلبكم.
Refugee camps in Lebanon lack a proper sanitation system.
And the increasing influx of people in these camps is forcing human waste into undesirable locations.
First, we're talking human waste infiltrating into groundwater, speaking of Zahli and Beqa, which leads into rivers, into irrigation systems, then the agriculture, and finally the sea itself.
The second undesirable location is directly into nearby rivers, which is the source of the water for the people of the camps and the entire nation.
Our proposition is adding an extra step in the already existing sanitation system. We will add an enclosed dump that has a spinning pot. The heat generated from the solar panels that will be used would extract the methane gas from the fecal matter, which will subsequently boil the feces into a dry substance.
This process would reduce the mass by 70% of the fecal matter, and the density and the overall properties of the byproduct are quite similar to coal.
And since money talks, the coal will be used in cement production or as an organic fertilizer.
We just created 3 opportunities from a mere trip to the toilet. 1, we're encouraging cleaner construction. 2, new forms of fertilizer. And 3, cleaner land and water, which is our main goal.
Well, you know what? Forget green.
We're going brown.